Good morning, everybody. It is a Vlogtober day 9 and it is a wonderful Friday. I am off, my husband is off, the kids are out of school, so we are going to take a short little trip to Charlotte just to, get out a little bit. I do want to go to IKEA and we want to visit a couple of stores in the South Park Mall. So I am super duper excited to get this day started. Alright, so we are finally home. It is 6:02 and I must say it was a very eventful and fun day. Like you saw, we went to IKEA first and then we went to South Park Mall. My husband wanted to get him a Louis Vuitton book bag that he had his eye on. So we were able to get that. It was super duper exciting. Visiting the Louis Vuitton store was our first time ever actually going in there and actually looking around. And we also went to a few other stores in the mall. My son got some Legos from the Lego store. Me and my daughter got some things from Pink, Victoria's Secret's Pink store. And I got, this is the little bag that it came in. I got a t-shirt here, camouflage t-shirt, short sleeves. And does it have the little splits on the side? No, it does not. It's just a regular everyday t-shirt, but as you can see, it is a camouflage print. And then I also got a free panty with my purchase. My daughter also got some like some smell good sprays, body sprays, and some lotion. And she got some unmentionables too. And also I got a package too. It is from Briogeo, however you say it. This is what the box looks like. So I'm going to just go ahead and open that up really quick. Of course, we got the little packing slip here. And this is how it came packaged with brown paper. And this is the Mary Multi-Masking Nourish, Repair, and Hydrate Hair. So this is what it looks like. And the masks that are included in this kit is the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair. It is their Avocado and Kiwi Mega Moisture Superfood Mask. And it is the Honey Moisture Deep Conditioning Mask. And that's the one with the little bear right there. And I was just really intrigued by, of course, the packaging and the fact that it was a honey mask. So I am really looking forward to using this one. I've used this one before, the Don't Despair Repair hair mask, but I haven't used either of these. So yeah, I got that. And also they included the Be Gentle, Be Kind Matcha and Apple Replenishing Superfood Shampoo and the conditioner. That's what that looks like. And that is pretty much it. So I am just going to go ahead and end this vlog here. I'm going to go ahead and edit it and try to put it up for you guys tonight. And yeah, so I just want to thank you guys for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, please go ahead and do so. I would greatly appreciate it, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.